Hello guys. The channel already has more than 20 subscribers. Thank you all. I really appreciate it. Today I would like to move to the next level. In my understanding, this can be done in two ways. The first is to improve your skill, and the second is to get new devices. I decided that it was time for me to try something new, so today we are going down the path of devices. Well, let's unpack this baby. Let's skip all the boring paper and get to the main course. I apologize for the shadow from the phone. It was the only convenient way to position it for shooting. Here it is. A beauty. I love this appearance, as well as the already familiar for size. I want to praise the programmable buttons. At first I was skeptical, but after a couple of days I switched from the keyboard to these buttons, and as it turned out they are very convenient. Let's look at the back. It looks pretty nice. You can also see the rubber feet, which are pretty good at preventing slipping on any surface. Next comes the pen stand, inside which are stored replacement tips. I wonder how often they will need to be changed. Well, I left the most important for the end. It's quite convenient. I have nothing to compare it with since this is my first graphic tablet. I used an iPad a couple of times. As for me, in terms of line control, the graphic tablet is better. Let's talk about the experience of using it. I thought everything would be similar to traditional drawing and only the working area would be captured. That is, the sheet on the tablet works almost like a mouse. That is, it captures the entire screen. The difference is only in the sensitivity of pressing and cursor control the first times. It was very unusual and I clicked on the tools or closed the program. Judging by the first impressions, it will take months to master it. I found a couple of guides on YouTube. Basically, they advise writing out copybooks and drawing simple figures with subsequent shading, and therefore I would like to ask you, if you know exercises for quickly mastering the tablet, please write in the comments. Taking this opportunity, I would like to ask you a question about my shots. What do you think of them? Are they conveniently structured according to the playlist? And in general, what do you think of my channel? Well, I think we can end the unpacking and first impressions here. But don't rush to leave. To increase retention at the end of the video, I will teach you a trick. It's called the father's trick. You need to stand up, relax, count to 3 and clap your hands.